Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. And if you're new, hi, hello, I'm Nicole Khumalo and I post mostly beauty and fashion try-on hauls. So if you are interested in seeing any of those, you can check out my other videos, and if you like them, you can click on the little subscribe button down below, and that will ensure that all my videos get sent to your subscribe page where you can see them. And if you like it some more, you can get notified whenever I upload a new video by clicking on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button. But as you can see by the title of this video, this is a giveaway, and I'm saying Happy New Year because this is the first video I filmed in 2018. I know by the time you see this video it will probably be like February. Hopefully not. I hope not. I'll try and make it not February, but if it is and I'm saying Happy New Year and you're like, what? That's why. Anyway, this giveaway was supposed to happen just before Christmas, but just before Christmas was crazy hectic and I had no time to film. So I realized if I want to do a Christmas giveaway, I have to pre-film that video. So I would have had to buy everything in like November or October or whatever. But now that I know, I'll know for the future. But this is a 2K giveaway. We hit 2K. You and I, we both hit 2K. And that's amazing. Thank you guys so much. I got a couple of tweets from people asking if I could do a giveaway when I do reach 2K, and I said sure, why not. Today's video is a giveaway, as you can see by the title, and I'm giving away a lovely, oh so heavenly pamper box, and this is their sweet deluxe gift box. So some lucky person will be getting this box, and it has this little what is it, a card. It has a card that shows you everything that's inside. I know everything that's inside. I've not opened the box, but I know because of what's written here, but I don't want the person to know what's inside until they open it, so I might take it off. I will include it in your like package when I send it to you, but I will take it off so that you don't know what's inside, and I'll probably hide it in your kind of box. So yeah, that's gonna happen. This is my first giveaway. I know it's kind of like smallish, and because we are starting out, it's probably why it's so small, but as we grow it'll probably get better, which is, you know, progression. But I found this one and I love this one. I love this range, so I had to get this. One lucky person will be getting this, and I've been babbling on, so let's just talk about how you can enter this giveaway. So this is a YouTube giveaway because we hit 2K, but I will be posting a photo of this lovely box on my Instagram. I will not say anything in the caption about it being a giveaway, so I will post this photo, and if you've watched this video you know what that photo is about. Okay, so how to enter the giveaway. You obviously have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is this one that you're watching this video on, and then you also have to be following my Instagram, which is Nicole_XO, and I will post a photo of this box like I said, and underneath this photo you will go and comment your one friend, your best friend, or whatever, one of your close friends' Instagram handles, and then your favorite emoji next to that person. I know if you don't have like one best friend, you can tag all of them, but only one comment per user. Okay, so if I have like 2 best friends, I'll comment both of them, but I can't comment like a million times. Only one comment. I'll comment both of them and then put my favorite emoji next to their names, and then that way I'll be able to get your names and then check if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then if you have, you'll enter the giveaway. Okay, so that's how you enter. After that I will put your names into a random name picker where it'll choose a winner, and then I will have that whole thing on my Instagram story. So I'll do it in an Instagram story where I pick the winner, and then that person will be contacted, and then we can get this puppy to its new home. It's not a literal puppy because, you know, I would enter that giveaway though. But yo, I love this. I love everything that's inside of this box, and I hope whoever wins it does as well. Yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me that you guys like my videos, and I will hopefully continue to entertain you and to kind of help you wherever necessary, and to like give you videos that are really nice that you guys like. And if you have any suggestions or any like what can I say, like any video suggestions or any like improvement suggestions that you have, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I love getting feedback from you guys. Okay you guys, so that is it for this video. Really nice and short video, wholly focused on the giveaway, and good luck to all of you. But that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.